Good afternoon, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Got something different to do a video on today. This behind me is a BMW i3 BEV, so that's a full electric i3, and it is here for motor mount failure, and we're going to be taking you along for doing the motor mounts. Now, here inside the car, you can see we got the engine cover off. This is the motor mount back here that fails. We're going to be replacing the motor mount, the bracket, and then we're also going to be doing the motor mount on this side. So I'm going to take you along for the journey on how we do it. We're going to be following the Tim Foley guide, who is a gentleman online who's done better than BMW for the replacement of these. His guide's very, very good. So we're just getting started on it. So follow us along and we'll keep you posted. All right, so here is the motor mount out. This is the passenger side. As you can see, there's some upgrades or differences here to them. They got some more aluminum around it. You can see here, this one's all wet and sweating from the liquid that leaked out of it. So here in the car, we've already removed the engine bracket. We're going to be replacing that, and we've popped out the motor mount out from the outside, and then we're going to be working our way over onto this side. But we're almost done here. We also did the dog bone down there on the bottom, which is already new. So progressing along. All right, I want to give you an update. We got the original motor mount bracket off. This is the new one going in. As you can see, it's aluminum versus plastic, and you can see that this has a bigger surface mounting area for the new motor mount. This is the old motor mount size. This is the new motor mount size. So you can see that this contact patch area is much bigger than the previous one. So a little bit stronger, much bigger bolt also, but you have to replace these in a pair. This mount will not mount up to that motor mount bracket. So we got the other bracket in also. So coming over here, so the new support structure's in, the new motor mount is on the passenger side, and we have removed the driver's side mount and the bracket. It is so tight in there. This is a tough job. We're about 3.5 hours into this right now, and we're just getting back to reassembly. We also did the dog bone down on the bottom. That's unbolted to try to get it all around, but tough job. But stay tuned, we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. But you can actually see here the liquid leaking out of this motor mount as we moved it around, so definitely shot and torn and everything. All right, so as you can see here, we are actually tightening down this back motor bracket mounting bolt. And this is a modified Husky socket with an 18mm wrench. This is extremely tight. I barely got this up in here. We've been messing with this for about an hour on the other one. This is the last one to tighten. We're just about to torque this one down. But you can see that's the new aluminum motor mount that's in there. But this is a tough job. This is tough. So stand by, we'll show you the finished product here. All right, so here we are, got it all finished up. We have the new motor mount support bracket. The new motor mounts are in. We have the new motor mount aluminum support bracket with the new motor mount is in. And we have the new dog bone all the way down there. So this is a complete job. This was a monster. 7 hours? 7.5 hours. So yep, that's about what it took us wrenching away on it. We had the like I said, we used the Tim Foley method. Thanks, Tim, whoever you are. We were able to get it out. A lot of up and down, like everybody said. Had to modify some tools. You want to give me that special tool we made? So let me show you here. We had to modify even our set because we couldn't get enough clearance. So we actually had to cut the top of our low profile 16 to make it work, and then yeah, we put it on the end of an 18. So that was our kit, and that actually worked out pretty well for us. So modify your tool if you have to, but if you need this job done, you need to reach out to me. I probably did not charge enough for this one, but I'll work with you if we got to get it done. At least we know what to expect this time around. So reach out to me, 615-802-5550. If you got a BMW i3, a Rex, or a BEV, you can reach me online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com or come see us in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. This one will get back to its owner, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.